How to make $200 per month from Google Maps. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to explain a method to generate from $200 to $2,000 per month, and you won't need any skill. You will only need to find small business owners that need help with bad reviews and ranking in the search. And for that, we are going to use Google Maps. Then you will go to Fiverr.com to hire a freelancer to deliver the service instead of you delivering it. So let's get started, and first of all I'm going to take you in a step-by-step tutorial on how you can apply this method. So here, open your favorite browser, then open Google Maps in the browser and wait for it to load. Then go to the search of Google Maps, then type United States, which is the country we are going to target in today's method, and wait for it to load. And here zoom in on the United States to choose a country or a state that we are going to focus on in applying today's method. So here, for example, you can focus on whatever city or state you'd like. For example, I'm going to focus on Wisconsin. Here I'm going to zoom in on the place, and I'm going to go, for example, to this area here. Then go to the search again and type whatever kind of small business you'd like to search for. You can go for gyms, plumbers, hair salons, or auto repair, or whatever kind you'd like. So let me go for auto repair, and here you will be able to see all of the available auto repair garages in the area, and you will be able to see their profiles. And first of all, before we dive in how to know the best profile that you can reach out to, I'm going to show you the three services that we are going to offer those small businesses. So the first service is website renovation or website creation. So we are going to check if the small business has a website or not. If they have one, we're going to check the website to see if it's in up-to-date website or it's an old website. If it's an old website, we're going to offer them to renovate it, and if they don't have one to begin with, we are going to offer to create them one. And the second service is removing the bad reviews from their Google Maps profile. So we're going to check their profile to see if we can find any bad reviews that they would like to remove. And the third service is to offer social media management or social media marketing in order to gain them more clients. So here, as I said, to find the best profile to reach out to, make sure always to see how many reviews that the small business has, and if there is any sponsored rating in the profile. So if they have less than 150 reviews, that means they're still reachable, which means there is a higher rate in them answering our message or in them purchasing our services. And with the sponsored written in their profile, that means they already have someone managing their profile. So make sure to avoid those with sponsored written in their profile and with more than 150 reviews. So here we have the first profile in here. It is auto repair, and he's just the perfect profile for our method here. So let's check his profile, and first we're going to start with the website. So here, let's scroll down to check the first thing, which is his website, to see if it's an up-to-date website or not. So here, let's wait for it to load, but from the get-go you can notice those colors, the design, and the icons, which means this is an up-to-date website, even though it's very small, but I think it does the job. Here is the location, the phone number, the location again in here, and also here we have the amenities and also the weather and the latest feedback. So this is a great website, as you can see, but they only lack the appointment setting website, the appointment setting page, or they don't want to have it in here. I don't know, but it's a up-to-date website. So let's just skip the website here. Let's close this and let's scroll down. The first service, we can't offer them the first service. Let's scroll down to check the second one, which is checking if they have any bad reviews that we can remove for them. So here, let's scroll down, and this is the first service, the first bad review that you can see, 1-star review. Let's read a little bit of it to understand if it's a very bad review or if it's just a normal review. So here, used this place 4 years ago because it was nearby and I was able to drive my brake fluid leaking car there. They seemed nice and honest. Was told they replaced 90% of my brake lines. Fast forward to this year, leaking brake fluid and no brakes again. Took car to another shop and learned that only work that had previously been done was taking multiple brake lines and compressing them together, which is unsafe and illegal to drive. Now the cost to actually replace the brake lines is more than the car's worth, so I have to junk it. Thanks for nothing. Expect years of driving an unsafe and illegal car. And here there is no response from the owners, and it's from 10 months ago. So this is a very bad review that you can have on your profile, and I guess the owners would love to remove such kind of reviews. So you can just take a screenshot, or you can mention it when you call them directly. If you are going to send them a message, take a screenshot of the bad review, then send it to them and say, this is my name and I'm offering 1, 2, 3 services, and this is how these services are going to help you take your business from one or from A to B place. So let's scroll down to see if we can find more bad reviews, because those bad reviews are going to help us convince the clients to purchase our service. So here, let's scroll down to see if we can find another one. This is another bad review, and it's from a local guide with 1 star from 2 years ago. Very expensive, charged me 65% more than surrounding shops for a full synthetic oil change. My bad for not asking about the price before taking my car there. Glad I didn't trust them with more expensive maintenance and repairs. So this is another bad review from a local guide, which makes the things even bad. So guys, I think you get the idea. As I said in the beginning, you won't need any skill to apply this method. You will only need to land the client, then go to Fiverr.com, this platform where you will be able to hire freelancers or contractors to deliver the service instead of you doing it. So for example, you can make this client pay you $100 in order to remove the bad reviews from their profile. Then you will come to Fiverr.com and you'll be able to hire freelancers for $25 to remove those bad reviews, and you'll be left with $75 in your pocket. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.